G'day guys, received a package today from Stonex Tools. In my last video where I was talking about my Garrett pan set, I spoke about wanting a 16-inch pan, and Ashley, the National Sales Manager, sent me an email yesterday saying that I'll be receiving something in the mail, and that's what come today. So it's a Estwing 16-inch gold pan. It's got the larger riffles just here, and right next to it some smaller ones. Now I wanted a 16-inch gold pan for when I'm using my 12-inch sluice. I can take the mat out. I can fill this pan up with water, take the mat out and clean it out the same way I do my 8-inch. Otherwise, I have to roll the 12-inch mat up and then put in a bucket and shake it about, and didn't really like that idea. Wanted a large pan to do that. Stonex Tools sell quite a few bits of prospecting gear, so if you are interested, go and have a look at them. Have some good gear there. Even that Garrett Deluxe pan set that I got, that's a good starting set. There's a lot of different pans in there, and that super sluice that I am loving at the moment. I'll have to give this thing a go pretty soon when I get the 12-inch sluice out. But thanks again to Stonex Tools, and go check them out, guys, and I'll see you all later. Alright guys, just give you a quick demo with the 16-inch pan that I got. So that's my 12-inch sluice. High banker if you got one. So normally what I do is I grab my mat. Once I grab my mat, I hold it this way. I put the end of this mat because I know the least amount of gold, so if I'm going to lose anything, it doesn't really matter. The gold normally hasn't travelled this far. So I'm still holding the mat upright. I then just keep rolling it through the mat. And with this, I don't have to use a bucket. It's much easier, pretty much in and out. As you can see, the mat's clean in the pan. Don't have to worry about trying to roll it up and jam it in a bucket. Thanks for watching. Hope that gives you a little tip on cleaning a dream mat. It only takes a few seconds, and that way you got more time to dig. Alright, see you all later.